Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, locate the Play Store app, then open it, hit the search bar, type in Opera, and in front of the needed app icon just tap on the install button. Wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, no more than a few seconds, as you can see. Now we can go ahead and open the app and set up some first launch stuff. So in here we gotta tap on continue. Next we are provided with an opportunity to choose whether we want some of the features this browser has to offer to be enabled from the start. Me myself, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip the set Opera as default browser step. Next we gotta allow some of the permissions it asks for, then press on done, and we are all set. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!